Don't move. Happy birthday, Meme!
Mama is going to feed you.
This one.
Goatee, how about this? Oh, wow. Ewan ko kung paano. Picture lang kita. Ayan, smile.
Okay, ikaw muna. Masarap.
Oh, masarap. Ayan, crocodile. Sarap.
Grabe, sobrang nakakapagod kasi di ba nag-shopping kami kanina sa Pratunam Night Market. Wala kami nabutang street food, guys. Siguro na-late talaga kami ng punta. And guys, it's Caleb's birthday na.
Happy birthday,
And
Memo.
four na.
Yeah.
Are you happy or for na?
No,
Why?
I want to stay at 3.
Oh, why? Tell us why.
I want to stay with 3, mommy.
Why?
Yeah.
Why? Di ba why?
Why?
Because I'm a kid when I'm 3.
Yo.
But why am I 3 now?
Because you're growing na eh. You're growing old na.
But you're still my baby and mama's
1,
baby.
2, 3, 4, 5. Like that.
Even if you're adult na, you're gonna be my baby always and forever, okay?
If I'm 5 now, I'm still baby.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Even if you're 60 na, you're still my baby.
60,
Yeah.
70, 80, 90, 100.
What's your wish for your birthday?
And 10,000.
Wow. What's your wish for your birthday?
I wish mommy will always be to me.
Oh.
Always be what?
To me.
Anya raw.
I'm gonna
wish-
be with you always.
And-
I wish I will go to Capybara with mom and daddy.
Oh, kapibara ha.
And ate.
Okay.
And-
tomorrow.
90 and 30%
And
to the king.
and who?
Mimi.
Mimi.
Okay, man. Tomorrow we're going to Capybara.
Yay!
I love you.
Show me the Capybara.
Okay, they're sleeping na eh. Tomorrow na lang.
I'm-
Say goodnight to them na.
I don't said I'm going to Capybara. I said I'm to see Capybara.
Oh,
Sa cellphone.
oo nga naman.
On your
Tama,
phone.
tama naman siya.
But-
Mommy.
And we will,
Medyo mali ako dun.
but we will, ano na eh, sleep na eh.
With the rib. I want to see. Mommy.
Hmm?
I want to see.
Okay, later.
Now.
Tomorrow na lang.
I'm not saying
Ayan.
I'm not saying I'm going to Capybara. I said I'll see what they're ribbing. Mommy.
Alam mo, minsan mahirap pag matalino yung anak
On your
mo.
phone.
Ganyan siya lagi makapag-usap.
Oh,
Kapag,
no.
alam mo yun, ganyan siya, pinapatulugan namin siya. Ganyan siya, lagi siya may katwiran.
Oo. Natandaan eh.
You're so smart, Meng Meng.
Good night, Ming.
I love you! Good morning, guys. Third day na natin sa Thailand. And ito yung outfit natin. Kasi guys, ang agenda namin ngayon ay pupunta kami ng Safari World sa may Kanchanaburi. So, ganito yung mga outfit na pinili ko para sa amin. Yan. Tapos magbuboots ako. Eto. Pero baka mamaya na kasi mag-breakfast pa kami. So, napuyat kami kagabi, guys. Kasi diba galing kami ng Pratunam. So, anong oras kami nakauwi. Tapos kumain pa kami. Tapos si Caleb pa nga, ubo ng ubo. So, gising ako ng madaling araw. Kaya wala tayong masyadong tulog. Pero ganoon talaga, pag nag-travel, laging walang tulog. Good morning, Bangkok. Yung birthday boy nasa labas. So, medyo wala siya sa mood, guys. Kasi nga may ibot sipon siya. Happy birthday, Meng Meng! I love you! Where are we going later?
On the Capybara.
We're going to safari first with lots of animals. And then after that, we're going to Capybara, okay?
What? Where's that?
Later, I'm gonna show you. Okay?
And after we're gonna go to the zoo.
We're going to the zoo first. before the capybara. Okay?
Yeah.
We're going to eat na our breakfast. Ayan. Ano sila?
And I'm gonna spaghetti.
You're gonna eat spaghetti?
Parang kay Meme yun, lakad banana.
Yeah.
Where's my spaghetti? This one. Spaghetti.
Wow. What's your food?
Why is it orange?
It's orange, oh.
What is a pasta?
It's spaghetti, but it's a macaroni. It's a different kind of pasta.
I want wipes. I'm not here, huh?
Hey, look there.
I can
Usog mo
see.
siya, ya. Usog mo.
I can see. I can see.
Wait. Sarap na sa Europe?
Hmm?
Sarap. Parang siyang, alam mo yung mga hayop na kumakain ng ano? Parang pandang kumakain ng tubo. You look like a panda, Memo.
Why? This is not the bamboo.
Eat na.
Where's the
Your heart, Meme.
Thank you, and check. And Daddy is not check.
Huh.
He's X.
Ayan, eh.
Because Mom is with and she's check.
How about me?
You're not a
Yes.
girl. You're a boy.
Di ba I'm handsome?
So you're not check.
Okay.
You're not handsome. You're boxer.
Is Bochog? That is Bochog?
And I see a crocodile on the zoo, right? And we go on the zoo, then we're gonna see a crocodile. And there's a crocodile there.
Huh?
And after that, we're going on to capybara.
Yeah.
And we're going again on the tarsier. Mommy.
Tarsier?
Yeah?
That's in the hole.
There's no giraffe on the zoo. You can see that yet. It's all on the another zoo.
Nakita niya na yun eh.
Eto na guys, punta na kami na Safari World, Kanchanaburi.
Let's go.
Where's my baby? Where's my baby?
Say hi, Be.
Oh, my baby's there.
Baby's sleeping.
Happy birthday, Meng Meng. Happy birthday, Meng Meng. Happy birthday, Meng Meng. Happy birthday, happy birthday, happy birthday, Meng Meng. Happy birthday.
I tried to grow up.
Why?
Because I want to be tree always.
Why tree always?
Because I want to be orange tree.
You want to be baby always?
Yeah.
But even though you're adult now, you'll still be my baby.
But even I'm not, yeah, I'm Lolo now.
Lolo.
Lola na?
No, Lolo.
Kids.
Lolo is for boys. Lolo.
Matanda na raw si Kaylin. Lolo na raw si Carla.
And I'm not, you're Lolo.
Next niya, 3 lang daw siya.
If you're adult now, you're gonna take care of me, ha?
Manda. Galing to batang to. Is mami?
Sawadee ka.
Is mami and daddy? Is mami and daddy?
You make
I don't have lipstick on my lips, so I can kiss you. Wear your seatbelt
Why?
so that you're safe. Tulog na. Dito na kami. Ang kailang 8 minutes na lang dun siya nakatulog.
Gusto na nga natulog si Meme.
Sayang. May tulog sana siya mahaba.
Di ba naman natulog?
Nasa Safari World, kansya na buri na tayo. Habang tulog si Caleb, tumakas muna kami. Mag-claim na kami ng ticket. Para pagising niya, diretso na kami. Buti hindi ganun kainit, no?
Buti nga hindi ganun kayo.
Oo, dapat ganyan lang. Pero sana hindi umulan. Kasi medyo kumukulimlim eh. Tapos guys, akala namin mga 2 to 3 hours yung biyahe namin. Kasi depende to talaga sa traffic yun. Pero maaga kami nakarating dito. Mga ano lang. Wala pa nga yatang 2 hours. 2 hours ba? Ayun, 2 hours. Hindi pala 3 hours.
Teka lang, pwede ka na mag-ano doon, no? Magpa-picture doon.
Saan?
Kasi sa mga tiger, sa mga lion.
Hanggang may bayad?
Oh.
Ay, may bayad.
Ito raw, ito gusto ko.
1,000 tayo ba?
Oh.
Yun, sa...
Ayan, yung tao. Oh, ayun yan. Ano yan? Sikat yan sa kanila dito.
Ha?
Yung taong yan, sikat sa kanila dito.
Ginawa pa akong ano.
Abay, oo.
Ako talaga eh. Cash lang yata dyan.
How much?
100
One set for 100.
2 bowls, 100.
One set 100 baht.
Ayan,
Mm.
100.
How many you want?
100.
2 bowls, 100.
Ito na, ito na. Pinili na.
Kailan? 500?
This one, 500 baht.
500?
So many. You have this, you have ano free? You have free? No?
Ano, tingin mo?
Okay na.
Okay.
Ito na! We're going there na, Memo! Are you excited? Go, Mem!
I'm gonna go see You won't hear, you won't hear. What you will get?
Like this.
You're going to take a bath?
Yeah.
Tatangin mo. Gago. Ang laki. Ano yun?
Got the giraffe, oh!
There's so many.
We're gonna take a picture with them.
Yung carrot nyo. What are you saying?
Hello? In front of the car.
Ikaw, me.
Si tatay.
Are you hungry?
Hello? Move, hello? You stand here.
Oh, stand here, me.
Move.
Me. Stand
Safety
there.
na.
Oh, come here, come here.
Giraffe kick na. Giraffe kick.
Giraffe kick.
Kick.
Oh no.
Zebra, bite and kick. Be careful na. Safety na. Hello, move. Move, you stand here.
He's tasting the... He wants
Naninipa daw sila, tapos nangagat yung mga ano, giraffe.
Zebra.
Ay, zebra. Baliktad.
Baliktad.
Okay, mommy. Okay.
Be careful na. Slowly na.
Matatakbo.
Medyo mo lang. Okay, giraffe no bite. Giraffe no bite. Caleb, one
By yourself.
by yourself. By yourself.
Eh, don't
Picture of you by yourself.
jump ah.
Okay, tara.
Don't jump.
Okay, hold. Okay, I will. Hello? Sit down. Okay, okay.
Okay, no, tama. Damot na.
Bakit daw? Nakadiretso ka na.
Natatakot ako. Gusto ko sa layon, boy. Giraffe lang yan eh.
Gi, taas mo kamay mo.
One leg up. Pick up.
Yan. Ayan. Can I get one? Get one?
No. Sorry.
Ay,
Hello, you move. Giraffe kick.
ayo.
Naninipa.
Oh, wait.
Naninipa pala. Again. Oh, go.
1, 2, 3.
Again.
One more. 1, 2, 3. Go.
It's okay.
Yak.
Are you happy?
Hello. Ni, pa.
Like that na, oh.
Ang forma, no?
Di ba tat? Ayoko. Ano ba?
Ladong.
Ayoko. Ikaw na lang.
Ang sweet na zebra.
Are you happy?
Yes! Ask Caleb.
Meng, are you happy in your birthday?
Yes. I want to ride that now.
Okay. Hi, Lynn.
Hi, Eileen.
Her name is Lynn. Ako din, Kin, ha? Okay, yan.
Hi, Eileen. Giraffe.
Pahawak mo na ako yan. Thank you.
Hey, another verse. Woohoo!
Here, what more? Here. Eileen.
Babae siya.
Man.
Again. Ayun.
Ayun, sa ilalim mo. Rachel, yan. Ay, last one.
May nagagumay. Wow. May more.
Happy birthday!
Happy birthday, Meme. Happy birthday, Meme. Happy birthday, Meme.
Thank you, Giraffe.
One by one. Three. Oh. Oh. 4. 4 years old.
Yay! Are you happy?
Awa na naman.
Be careful, man, with your hand.
Close the window.
I got the window now. Hi, close the window.
Mama, let's go now! Let's go, elephant show guys! Nanood tayo elephant show. After elephant show, we're going to crocodile show. What? Hey, what's that? Oh, there's a crocodile.
Miss, there's a crocodile, miss.
May, don't put your hand inside, huh?
Don't put your hand inside.
Well, it's alive,
Yeah.
but why it's green? Why it's green?
He's not moving, Meng. Maybe he's sleeping.
Anong pakain yan? Manok? Oh, breast.
How much?
Cream.
So guys, ito magpapakain na kami ng big cats. What did you say, Meng, to the big cats?
Sawadika.
Be kind.
Okay.
Another. The black.
Charlotte.
Lilipad siya.
Charlotte with the leopard too. See the leopard too. Black Panther from the leopard.
Ang bait niya naman.
Duling no.
Magkasama layo, no?
He named Charlie.
Malabakan mo sila. James.
Si Caleb Kin.
Charlie. Meow. Charlie. Meow.
Caleb, Meng. Charlie.
Charlie.
Okay, you hands.
สนใจป้อนอาหารซื้ออาหารได้ที่ซุ้มค่ะแล้วมาป้อนในไข่ได้ชาลีชาลีชาลี
Ang gentle naman ng pagkain.
Everyone he don't want to come in here because he want to go out and walk but are we feeding
Albino.
if you put stick like that if you put stick like that he want to steal your stick he want to steal your stick you cannot now you have to put stick like that that means it
Kasi kinukuha nila yung stick daw, man.
like that
Dapat ganun lang.
Okay.
Malakas kasi yan.
he name iPow iPow that Bengal name iPow yeah iPow
Ma'am, can she go inside because she video?
cannot
Okay na. Okay. Okay na. Meh, come here. Daway.
Come on.
Take picture. Paano picture? Go. I'm here.
Come dyan. Sa isa. Sa white. Parang sila, ang laki-laki pusa na.
it is she name iPow it's a Bengal tiger female
Oo nga, kinakagat nila yung ano. Saan ba ano?
iPow is a female
Oh, the white lion naman, the white lion.
Napakalaki ng banana. Ipin, no?
Matitik pa siya, no? Kuha ko yung filter. Pero kumuha ko yung
Blue tiger.
Blue tiger.
nagalit siya.
Mama is going to feed you.
Ayaw ka na?
Hindi.
you want to feed him
Ito last na pa. Feed mo muna to. Go. You feed the pylong. Your hand, ha? Your hand.
Pailong
Pylong, natas.
Pailong
Daniel. Wait. This one.
Pailong so gentle
Show na.
mother send the tiger
Huwag yung isa. Yung white na yan. Your hand.
Pailong
Up. Tama na.
Take papa take
Kisay.
Hold on. Let's go. Hi, vlog. I want to feed a capybara. Join me. Yeah, that's capybara. Say hi.
Hi! I'm going to take capybara. Mommy! Where's the eyes? Mommy! Why? It's all for you.
Oh, surprise. May surprise na sa kakainin mo.
And open. Wow! Let's put the capybara.
Oh, wait. Before you go to the capybara, wear your hat. The Ano said? The zookeeper said.
You can sit down na if you want.
Para kita yung mukha ni Tiggy. Smile to Tita Kin. With the capybara.
Give it to him na, May.
Smile. Smile to Tita Kin.
Smile, Tita Kin.
Dito kasi bata.
Oh, baby.
Yeah. Oh, give it to him na lang. You sit down and smile to Tita Kin.
Right here.
You want more?
May your hand, ah.
Your fingers, ha? Let go na.
Kinakabahan ako eh.
If the carrot is inside his tongue na, you let go na. Okay?
Big one.
Bitae.
Oh, there's another. What's this?
May sakit.
I would eat.
Ang cute nito.
Yung isa. Another.
Isa pa, isa.
Oh, this sad face.
What?
Ano? Tingnan mo. Meng, oh. Give it to the rabbit.
Over to the
Later. Rabbit yan ah.
Mabigyan mo ko.
Naka-video ako.
brownie. Brown. He was like.
Tingnan rito.
Ano na lang.
He was like.
Kinagat ng rabbit.
He was weird.
Oh, bigyan mo. Hindi, ito.
Yeah, he's so good.
Ay, magbigyan mo. Ano yan?
Boy. Boy.
Meng, oh, give it.
Ang cute, Mom.
Boy. Boy. Boy.
Boy, boy. Yausap ka nga yan.
Sinuwag ni Tonyel. Yan.
Oh, you ate all my.
Sa akin yan. Pang! Pang!
Oh, my hat.
Makalimutan mo si Mimi, maubusan.
Wow, you have so many friends, huh?
It's my friend.
Oh, what's the name of the block?
His name is sheep.
Because it's sheep.
It's a goat.
Yeah.
It's a goat.
How about this? What is name?
Goatee.
Goatee, how about this?
Goatee, goatee, goatee.
Oh, wow.
Goatee, goatee. They're eating all my carrots. That's my hungry.
Ayun, tumamatay na to. Bilao ka. Nil, Aw! Nil, tulungan mo ko! Ang gagawin natin? Ayun na, wala na. Hamas na.
Ayun, ang cute nga po kay Ma'am E. Oh, wala pa pong ano si Ma'am.
Yan, video mo si Caleb.
Nag-away pa.
Mas Caleb. Lagyan mo sa taas sa ulo. Lagyan mo sa taas sa ulo. Smile! Meng, smile! Smile, okay din ba? Smile, Meng! Meng! Smile to mama! Meng! Sakit na pagdubak mo sa may tenga mo dito sa badang. Aba, ewan ko kung paano. Picture lang kita. O yan, smile! Walang tawa ako. Ay, ikaw na. Ay, you feed them, feed them, feed them.
Sige na.
Oh no!
Why did you put it there?
No! Smile! Smile na mommy! Diba I told you where your hat? And the monkey and the donkey, the gorilla
It's
is
monkey.
me. I thought it's me.
Are you happy?
Birthday, Ming.
Are you happy today,
Yeah,
Meg?
because
What's the favorite thing that you did today?
I feed the capybara and the birds.
And?
About the long neck.
The
Giraffe.
the giraffe. And the deer.
How happy are you?
Good. I'm going to the trash.
Man, we're going to eat cockroach.
No,
Flash.
it's dirty. It's ew.
It's dirty.
Yeah, it's ew.
How about,
eat that.
yeah.
Oh, but we have a tractor.
How about cricket?
Oh no!
But mommy will eat that. Your mommy.
What?
Yeah, I'm gonna eat that.
No!
How about crocodile?
Could I meet?
Yeah.
No.
But why?
Oh, but
Why?
bangus.
Bangus.
Bangus is like bangus. You want to eat that with me?
All-time favorite na.
You love bangus?
You want to eat bangus with me?
Yeah.
Okay.
Okay.
Diba?
How to go?
To Japan?
Yeah.
With Tatay Bors nga.
Yeah.
Diba you promised Tatay Bors?
Yeah.
Oh, tell Tatay Bors, tell Tatay.
What I promise?
Na you will go to Japan with him.
Yeah.
And Nani Neti, right?
Yeah, and mom. Oh, and
And mommies. Change topic na.
Ang bilis na ma-distract. Ito na guys, Jollibee night market. Nakahanap din kami ng tamang night market. Dito kami nag-dinner. And pagka-try sila dyan ng exotic food. Ako hindi.
Pagkain ng politiko daw, sabi natin. So, nandito kami guys sa night market. Order na tayo ng kakainin natin.
Crocodile meat.
Eto lang gusto mo sa akin.
Ayan o.
Ikaw ba, gusto mo yan?
Ayoko niyan.
Tigim lang natin, konti lang.
Ayoko.
Bolo.
First time ko kayo ng reptile.
How much?
100 baht.
100.
Thank you ka, Captain ka. Captain Crab. Hello yun eh.
Buwan natin, no? Sino ako?
Okay, ikaw muna. Ang lasa.
Medyo magaspang.
O, sige naman. Sige naman. Masarap.
crocodile meat. Try. Go. Masarap nga. Masarap, Mal. No? Goods, goods.
Isa lang lang. Spicy ba? Spicy. My head. Ang daming ano, ang daming spices. Ayan na. Nalagay na ba? Grabe, kanina lang buhay pa sila, guys. Ngayon, wala na, mamatay na sila. Sa bunga nga ni Kabibig. Oh my God! Ayan na! Jingjing! Gina to na! Aalugin to kini. Can we shake? Can we shake? Parang ayoko na.
Go na! Dali na!
Parang feeling ko nakakanin sa lalamunan.
Challenge siya sa'yo.
Ikaw na lang. Kaya mo yan. Ikaw muna, ikaw muna. Ikaw muna, dali. Oh, dali. Bubuksan mo. Ganun. Dali. Dali. Isa.
Go, go! Isa lang, isa lang! Dali! Isa! Sayang bilis natin!
Ayoko, ikaw na lang.
Ha?
Dali, ikaw muna, ikaw muna. Dali na. Di ba, bili tayo ng bili, tapos... Ay! Dali!
Wala naman eh. Wala na yung swimming.
Kainin mo na, isubo mo agad. Oo. Higadari lang ka lang, ay bilisan mo na. Hindi na dancing yan.
Kain na!
Namatay na sa spices. So game, kainin mo na, patay na eh. Isa lang. Go, go, go. Ano? Di masarap, no? O, ikaw naman. Huwag mo nalagyan. Mamamatay na yan. O, dali.
Oh.
Wala, madaya. Isa lang. Ayun, natalo na yan. O, go. O, go, go, go. Sabi sa'yo, matinik eh.
Hindi ka na buwan.
Ang lasa? Masarap ito yung itsura niya.
Hindi ka lasang ipis niya eh.
Masarap daw. Pero yung mukha mo ganyan. Ayoko.
Pakainin mo nga ito. Pakainin mo.
Ayoko.
Wala din.
Ayoko. Ito. Ito na niya, yung matatry mo.
Ay, kala ko ikaw, te.
Try mo.
Ay!
Lang ako, video
Ah,
lang.
bibidyo lang.
Tingnan mo naman yan, oh.
Oh,
Yung mata, yung paa.
ano ba yung tsura na? Ay, gano'n.
Kahit wala na ako kakainin, hindi ko talaga kakainin yan.
Makuha mo nga sila eh, oh.
Hirap na isip ko.
One scorpion. Ikaw, king, para sa'yo, dahil kapatid kita ipis. Ito.
Baka kay Jonah yan.
Kay Gami.
Si Jonah, takot sa ipis.
Hindi, pwede yung kayo ni Gami. Centipede. Yan. Yak! Kadiri.
Wow, ano yan?
Pandan. Kinemi ito, bibigyan ko. Guys.
Wow.
Kapag ka...
Ito guys, dami namin binili. Mga potato twister.
Ito, bawal sa akin to. Bawal sa akin ng seafood.
Tapos, roti.
Ano yan? Ito.
Ito seafood to. Binili namin yung ang sarap na mango sticky rice.
Ito pa, yung mga ano mo.
Yung mga ba, ano?
Barbecue. Tapos ito, ano ate, garlic chicken. Oh. Lopez sa chicken kasi mataas uric acid ko, guys. Sarap basta.
Ay, lakanin!
Mango sticky rice.
Oh. Ano?
Picture. Don't take a picture.
Show it to the vlog.
Just the camera. Right here, man. Let's go na.
Pwede yung QR ata eh.
May, when you're adult na, you will go to mommy pa.
Or your girlfriend na.
My mommy.
Oh, ayan, tandaan nyo, may mga proof tayo. Gami. Witness ha. Okay?
Pag ako, iniwan mo ako pag nagka-girlfriend ka.
Masusuwin ka na yan. Susuwin. Oo. Mommy only. Oh.
What if you have wife na and your wife said, you stay here with me.
Don't go to
your
mom.
mommy."
Oh.
I can't do any put you on. And the shark will eat you.
You're gonna say that to your wife?
Sasapakin niya raw. Tapos, yung check papakain.
Ito daw yung boss niya.
Aba, wow. How about daddy? When your wife or girlfriend say, don't go to your daddy. What would you say to your girlfriend?
I put you on shark.
Kala ko di mo ako love eh. Kala ko pati ako eh. I love you, Ming.
What if I can't walk na?
And
I can't eat na because I'm old na.
What would you do?
I feed you.
Tandaan nyo yan ha. Sa YouTube to ha. 2025 birthday mo.
And I got touch it.
Let's go na. Meng, what if Tatay Borsken toothbrush na? What do you do?
I brush his teeth.
Tayo.
have a teeth.
It doesn't have teeth eh.
Ah.
Meron yan. Meron.
Ah.
Ah.